Dad, guess what?
What?
I made the top 5.
Of course you did. Oh, that's wonderful, Katie.
Felipe, today you will pair with...
I mean, honestly, the way that things are going, I think they're gonna make Felipe my partner for the prize dance.
Bonjour. I need new shoes.
Non, mais ça y est, là, c'est fini, la TD. On n'est plus que 5 en compétition. Tu es toute seule maintenant.
Mes chaussons. Chaussons?
Tes choses sont OK. Écoute, il n'y a qu'un seul prix. Et j'ai été sympa.
Félicitations. You've made it to the top 5. The partner you are paired with today has been carefully assigned by Madame Brunel to be your final partner for the prize dance. Together, you will choose an excerpt from Romeo and Juliet.
What's wrong? This is such bullshit. It's like they want me to lose.
We're gonna figure it out. We're not gonna let anything or anyone come between us. We're not gonna give up on the pact.
I know. It's just... You wouldn't understand. This is my one chance.
The prize dance is on the horizon, and nothing should distract you from that. However, it's come to my attention that there is a good opportunity for the right ballerina.
Nous avons besoin d'un doubleur. Pusara.
C'est un projet plus moderne.
Ce serait un honneur de travailler avec vous deux.
Bonne chance.
Restez calme. Montrez-nous ce que vous pouvez faire.
Oh putain.
Virginia, let's not waste any more of Sarah and Benjamin's time, shall we?
I'm happy they picked you.